Hello, ho, ho. Yeah, sorry. I really was eager to, or really wanted to start earlier this day, but yeah, there were some issues I had to face. So yeah, this will be a little shorter and yeah, a little later live stream than usual. But anyway, I'm still happy that I kind of made it to, and yeah, at least yeah, do some live streaming, even if it's not the time I was, and it was intentionally I wanted to stream around not at 1 a.m. Maybe 2 or 3 hours earlier, but yeah, I can't do anything about that. So welcome to the stream. Hello, and yeah, how are you? How are you feeling? Maybe write it down in the chat. Anything else? Yeah, I will start now with the coding. I will just set the chat up because yeah, totally didn't do that last time. So let me just open chat in a new window, copy it anywhere like here, and write something like test. Oh, wrong account. Second. This was some, yeah. Okay, so yeah, to everyone who joined recently, welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing fine. If not, hopefully you're doing fine in the future. Thanks to everyone who subscribed recently. I hit the 500 subscribers today, and that was the main cause why I didn't skip streaming today. So yeah, here we are. Hopefully doing something productive today. Yeah, this can be like an everyday message. Of course I'm feeling sleepy, but yeah. And what are we gonna do today? So in this case, yesterday I did some animations regarding our figure. So it was animated and I will die soon. But anyways, we did animate our little figure here. And yeah, now I want to also add swords. So what do I mean with a sword? If the player has a sword, this should be visible. And for that, I'm sorry. And for that, we need to make swords less, or need to make them transparent. And yeah, by the way, I'm feeling totally sleepy. So this will be the shortest stream, I guess, today. Or one of the shortest, not, but one of the shortest. I have problems of pronouncing. One of the shortest streams today. Okay. But now enough of complaining. Let's do something. Okay. So here we have a sword. Image generator, make transparent. Now let's see, I already looked up for something, how to make a picture transparent. Now let's see. With PIL we can make things transparent, so let us make things transparent. I'm totally not in the right mood of streaming, but on the right mood. I am in the right mood of streaming, but not in the condition. Anyways, streaming. PIL make picture transparent. So, Geek for Geeks. We first need an item like this helmet. Let's do this helmet transparent. Let's do something like image equals image point open. Let's do this. Come on, just copied that. Okay, copy path reference. Only the file name. Here we go. One look in the chat if anything wrote something. It's really late today, so I guess, yeah, the viewer count will be rather low today, but better than no one views. And yeah. Image open. Yeah. Image open. Now next step should be let's see. I will simply copy that and sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay, let me copy that code, and because I don't want to steal everything, I will use the source here. Source, what's the dumb is Geek for Geeks. And yeah, let me also put the source and let me play some music. I should totally play some music because yeah, I don't wanna, my voice alone will probably make you fall asleep. So yeah, let me play some music. Music. 1 second. Where is the music? Streaming music. Streaming music, no copyright.
Neu. Facefinity Compact Make-up für ein
This
langanhaltendes
is not
mattes.
the music, this is an ad. Is this too loud? No. I guess that's okay. And yet, hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, we are doing coding, we are doing PIL, image stuff, trying to make an image transparent. The code is I'm using, it's mostly not my code now, so the transparent one. So in the description below you can see the link to the, also could comment it. Am I able to make a comment at the moment? Maybe, maybe not. And hello to the next one who joined recently. We are doing some PIL, which means we are making a picture transparent. So let me see if we run this script. One. Now there should be a transparent image, and it is transparent. Perfect. Now why do we need this? We want to add the picture to the slash image. So how do we do that? I will explain later. Okay, this was some really weird pronunciation. But yeah. If you want, do you want to sing me? What do I should cover? I should make a poll. What do you want me to cover? Matplotlib, Pygame. Numpy and Screw the coding, sing my heart will go on. Screw code, sing my heart will go. Okay, so the poll has started. Feel free to vote if you want to vote. If not, that's okay. If you want to vote, feel free to vote. And I like the transparent effect, which is kind of, yeah, not the purpose, but yeah. While doing that. So now, make transparent. We can use this code. Let's put it inside our main function. Formulas, main object, generators, lootables, storage, images. Now let's copy it. Yeah, let's copy it. Okay, no one voted. Yeah. So, and thanks for the likes, by the way, for the ones who liked recently. And yeah. Make transparent. I need to make a new file. Make transparent. Now I need to make a function around it, like def make transparent. I'm pronouncing it this weirdly on purpose, so don't think I'm really that bad in pronouncing. It's completely on purpose, so yeah. Okay, let me have a look in the chat. Nothing new in the chat and no one voted yet, so back to coding. Okay, def make transparent, file, not file, file with F and a colon, and yeah, I never do purpose statement, but let me do a purpose statement. Okay. Does delete the stuff on color tuple. Okay, so now let's, because we have a file, we should also do this. Yeah, now next step we should do is getting myself a coffee. Do I have coffee? No. Should I get myself another coffee? Not now. I'm only 12 minutes into coding. But in 15 minutes I will get myself another coffee. Of course I will. This is my purpose. This is my birthright to get coffee. I mean, there are people who don't drink coffee and I totally cannot relate to that. I couldn't live without coffee. Really, I can't live without coffee. If I couldn't drink coffee anymore, I don't know. Totally totally get mad, or not mad, but totally would lose my mind without coffee. I mean, what about you? Can you drink coffee? No one voted yet. Feel free to vote what I should cover. I will do anything you want. You can also write it in the chat and stuff like that. And yeah, now it's got dark. Dark. Okay, image convert. This should be file. And if, oh no, I won't do that. Thought about something was that would be, I'm sorry, that would be totally stupid. Totally. So I won't do that. Maybe someday, but not. No. Not now. Not now. Now. Are you calling now with an A and an U? Now? Maybe. Or maybe not. Depends on you. Okay, sorry. Image equals image open file. Yes, this is okay. Data, get data. Ah, now I get it. Ah, I get it. If item equals 0 and item. Ah, okay. File color equals. Color to remove. Let's call it color to remove. Equals. And yeah. Oh, and hello to the one who's joined recently. And goodbye to the one who joined recently. We are doing, yeah, some coding, obviously. We're doing Python coding. Okay, that's also obvious. We are doing coding. Let's just say that. Like always, you should code. Life without code is life without coffee. Both is impossible to handle. Couldn't live a life without coffee. I mean, who could? Who simply could? Is there anyone who could? I don't think so. I never think so. So yeah. So yeah. Okay. Colors equals. Or it can be a list with 255, or a list containing zeros. Oh, I can import np numpy as np equals np.03 and equals color to remove 0 equals color to remove 1 and color to remove 2. Oh no, not color to remove 2. Here we go. It's pretty simple script, but yeah, kind of important to switch each parameter to attributes you're gonna add. Pretty simple stuff, but yeah. Okay, so what is next? let's call it transparent file. And yeah, because Hermit image generator, where is it safe? Let's copy the path. Transparent. F storage, this can be deleted. Storage, transparent. File point PNG. Yeah, kind of satisfied with that. Now let's say trash. Oh, here we have a lot of stuff that is randomly generated. Now let's test it. Let's try to generate everything in the trash. Okay, this is not that easy. Maybe let's start with 1. Yeah, 1 should do it. And will 1 do it? I don't know. Maybe. I guess it should do it. I like the music. I'm singing to it, dancing to it. Okay, I'm not dancing to it, but getting in the flow, you know? Okay. 1 second, I will check a few things because I guess I don't have many viewers yet. If the viewer count will increase, I will immediately do something else or do something more entertaining than just looking at stuff. But now just update a few things and singing to the song. Not singing to the song, but getting with the flow. Singing, yeah. Singing all the time because I already lost my mind. By the way, stream will start at 22 is obviously wrong. I'm sorry. In the description it starts way later. Yeah, it's kind of why I'm doing the stream is more like to say thank you for 500 subscribers, which is awesome. Maybe I will make a video on its own regarding that topic to say thank you. And yeah, maybe like this. But yeah, just ask me anything you want. If I don't fall asleep today. Okay, now. Just searching for something. I'm doodluding. What is doodluding? Do you know the term of doodluding? If you don't know, you should obviously learn doodluding. Who says I'm talking nonsense? Is there anything? Black red potion. Yeah, let's do it with, test it with red potion. Where's the red potion? I forgot it. Here's red potion. So make transparent Make transparent wet potion point PNG. Now let's test it. No such file or directory. Okay, yes, I should delete this. Okay, save. Storage, images, trash, transparent. I should maybe look at the original code and see if I'm doing it maybe wrong. Yeah, maybe I should do that before I 100% fall asleep. No, kind of did it right. Let's try it again. Make transparent. Change this with file. And without the PNG. Make okay. Yeah. But why? It just needs to save it. I don't see the issue. Maybe you can help me. Let me look in the chat. But yeah, there's nothing new in the chat, so I return. Trying to solve it on my own because no one is able to help me. I'm just joking. Please don't take seriously what I'm saying. Please don't do that. Nothing here is meant to be serious. We're not serious. Even if Germans always tend to be serious, we are not serious. Maybe in that case, yeah. So because we're just testing, totally stupid. And we're at potion, here we go, and it's perfect. It is the way I wanted it to be, so this kind of works. No. I will get myself a coffee. I need a coffee. Otherwise I will totally 100% fall asleep. Don't wanna risk that. No one's wanna risk that. And hello to the one who joined recently. Hope you're doing fine. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, feel free to join me. I am doing some Pygame. But if you want me to cover anything else, oh, Numpy, sure, we can do Numpy. Yeah, we can do some basic Numpy, by the way. Even a Numpy for stream file, which is full of output. Okay, I will maybe use another file. Numpy for stream. Let's call it like this. Streamy. Numpy for stream. Hope you're doing fine. If you want me to cover anything specific, like a tutorial, you can write it in the chat. And yeah, so first of all, if you want to do Numpy, if you already know what I'm typing here, please write it down. Import Numpy as NP. And yeah, with Numpy, you can do Numpy arrays, which kind of differ from usual list you can create with Python, because in Python, you don't create arrays, you create lists. Like this one is a list. And yeah, let's call it array equals Numpy array 1, 2, 3. And then we can also say listy equals, not question mark, equals 1, 2, 3. And now let's print both. Print list, print array and print listy. And now, yeah. Why does, oh, hello Jojoba, how are you? Why does the sandwich meat last so long? I don't know. I'm curious regarding the joke. Maybe you can tell me. So yeah, why you tell the joke or the outcome of the joke? Check a few things like, why am I falling asleep? Preservatives, okay. Yes, this makes sense. Anyways, yeah. I'm saying anyways quite often, but anyways. Am I saying anyways that often? Anyways. You mean the sandwich meat lasts longer than usual? Yeah, maybe sandwich meat, a McDonald's burger won't last over a decade, over yeah, maybe over a century. Because there's no, it doesn't compose in any way. Or some McDonald's foods. When I was really young and got my first apartment, I forgot a package of McDonald's meat under my bed. It was not a happy meal, but yeah, something I bought with friends, and we ate the most of it. But maybe I guess a cheeseburger and some stuff was left, and yeah. It got under my bed, and yeah, after 1.5 years when I started to clean under my bed, I discovered it. Yeah, I already, that's why I'm streaming through. I'm totally sleepy and kind of like like the personification of The Walking Dead. I wanted to make at least a stream to say thanks to every subscriber, so that's why I'm awake and doing all of this. To kind of say thank you to every subscriber who makes me always staying up this long and fighting with my eager to sleep. Yeah. Anyways. I'm really saying anyways really often. So. So I should be productive. I mean, I still have viewers, 3 of them. So it should do something. Oh, we were at NumPy, okay. So again, back to NumPy. Here we have print listy. Now let's finally print it to show you the outcome. Now there is one big difference. Okay, the outcome is not visible. Now the outcome is visible. There's one big difference. The first one doesn't have commas, the second one has commas, as you can see, and that's a big difference. So this is an array, it is based on C code, and this is an array based on Python code. Now what we can try is while for I in way 100 print and p point way of zeros and p point zeros 200, and for let's see how fast this goes, or let's do import time point. How again? I'm kind of time point. Time. Print this. Okay, this music sounds most interesting. Okay, I need to Google it. I'm sorry, I need to Google it. How do you stop measure time in Python? How do you measure time in Python? Use time. Time point time, okay. Yeah, that's obvious. Okay. Print a equals time point time, print time point time minus a, and let's see. Okay, now let's do the same with b equals time point time. Let's do the same. Print. Now the shortest way to create an array of zeros is 0 for set in range 200. Now print time point time minus b. Now let's see what takes more time. Okay, we need to save it as a variable. F equals print f and print b. Now let's try it again. Okay, this was even faster. Not the way I expected it to be. Okay, this is strange. Now let's increase these numbers. And let's try it again. Oh, they are floating point numbers. Yes, 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 yes. Sorry for not looking in the chat. Yeah, time import time is simply for stopping the time. And NP zeros, you create an array filled with zeros and with yeah, with only 0 entities, like a list. And yeah. Okay, I can end the poll, by the way. This will take forever, but I kind of have an idea why it takes forever, because we need to do something like dtype can't I use a dtype? Okay, np point zeros. Okay, here I can do dtype. Dtype equals p point integer and p point dtype. I guess it was like this point. Or dtypes. I'm just thinking. Here, integer 8. Let me see if it's now faster. Hopefully it is. Or let's make it with 1 less 0. And let's see if he gets faster now. Oh, I got oh, it is simply. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, the difference is less frequent, but still there. There's something like an integer 4. No, it's not, so 8 bits is the max. Okay, let's do something else. Print 0, 0, 0, 0 and print np point array. Okay, this doesn't make any sense because it's making a list and then an array out of it. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. Okay, now let's save. I want to try something else because there must be a way that we get it faster. I'm measuring the time. I'm having 2 different loops and I'm kind of measuring the time which will be faster, because usually the first loop should be faster because we're using NumPy instead of just creating a list with Pythons. And yeah, we are printing f and printing time minus b, which is the actual time of the second loop. We're comparing the loops and yeah, we're looking which loop is the faster one. That's kind of what the time variables do. Yeah. While I try to stay awake. Okay, so where was I? Yeah. If I fall asleep, I'm sorry. Now let's see. +1 and print Now we have also zeros in it, and we want to, and for that it gets interesting because +1 for a in, but still it's pretty fast. I kind of did underestimated the speed of Python. Really? And I underestimated my ability to stay awake. Thanks for the likes to the one who recently liked the stream. Thank you for that. Okay. Next step. Only one viewer. Also falling asleep. If I'm falling asleep, I'm sorry. I hope that's okay. Please don't mind that I'm so tired. Even if it's my fault, but I will do a little coffee break, getting myself another coffee, the last one for today, because tomorrow I will need to work. Yeah, let's say 10-minute can be. Let's say 10-minute coffee break. Be back at 01:50. Even I didn't do anything productive, but and still need a coffee break, but that's because it's so late. Should really stop complaining. Even my girlfriend gave me the name Complain Beer, which means someone who always complains. So I should stop that. Okay guys, I'm back. Grabbed myself something to eat. Eating is important, otherwise you will starve. I really need subtitles for this. And I got a new subscriber, so thank you really much for subscribing. Thank you really much. I will start again on a few seconds. Yeah. It just... Yeah. I had a cool idea what I can test. And that will be something really cool. Okay, it's not that cool. But because I really want to try to make this loop faster than this loop. But at the moment, it's not. So how can we do that? And p point, let's do something like print and p point random point rand integer. Now let's use a kind of cool shape like 3 3. Oh no. Rand integer from 0 to 10. And yeah, shape should be 10, 10, 10. Do that 10 times. Oh, let's do that 10 times. You see? And yeah. Oh, I should delete this coffee break sign. Okay. And let's do the same. So again, only 10 times. But we also import random. And now print random point rand int 0 10 10. Eat something, 1 second, and I'm thinking. Now, let's try it, run it. Okay, now it's interesting because we kind of got the same thing. Now let's add even more to the shape. Let's make a 4-dimensional array. For I in range 10. Okay, the beat is now... Okay, I need also a square bracket here. Now let's see. Okay, yeah, there we go. This is where the usual Python kind of gets smaller or needs more time. But let's increase it. And now let's just say 100 and 100 times. Yeah, so, okay, here the NumPy code gets slower. Yeah, okay. This doesn't help. But yeah, if we add more shapes, if we get 4-dimensional, it will get easier for the NumPy and harder for the C code. Again, like here. Yeah, and if we now do it like 100 times. Yeah, so doing it multiple times is still easier for the Python code, but yeah. Oh, you can't see the time variables. Let me show you this. Here we have the times. The first one is the NumPy block, and the second one is a regular Python one. So in a lot of cases, Python is still faster than NumPy, which kind of is unexpected because still NumPy relies on a C code. So if you have so if you wanna know anything else or want me to tell you anything else regarding NumPy, write it down in the chat. Yeah. And while you're doing that, or let me see a text. Here we go. While that, I will eat my cheese curd. Please write in the chat what you want me to cover. 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 Yeah, why am I being that goofy? I don't know. Maybe it adds to the entertainment factor. I hope it does. If not, I'm sorry it does not. You should try his cheese curd. Tastes awful, but you should try it. I played this playlist far too often. Yeah. But now... Because we have so many subscribers, I should do something which is kind of reminds me of celebration. Like doing this. No. Like this. Because 500 subscribers is pretty cool. I'm asking myself if you are able to understand what I'm saying. And my mouth is full. Yeah. Looking at the chat, nothing new. But okay, now I got out. I kind of behaves like something you let out of the cage. Of the zombie cage. Hopefully that's not the case. Please don't mind my singing. Please don't mind it. Okay, so again, write anything in the chat you want to write. Nothing new in the chat. Okay, yay. Okay, before I totally fall asleep, I need to eat something. Yes, that's kind of also doing a break. If someone comes and wants to ask anything, I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty eager. But if not, I will just do something else, like eating. Okay. Sorry. What the heck? Oh, I totally didn't want to do that. Hello to the one who joined. Goodbye. Hello to the one who joined recently. Welcome to my stream. Write anything in the chat you want me to cover regarding Python, even if it's just the basic. Write it down and I will try to cover it. Okay, even if I really had fun, I'm too tired. I'm really sorry. I really had a fun last day streaming. Tomorrow, I don't know, I will maybe do a larger stream when the usual viewers are online, but today I started too late. Yeah, but still, thank you really much for everyone who joined and watched. And yeah, see you hopefully tomorrow. I will also record a video, I guess, and yeah. See you, have a nice evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye.